The Seas of East Asia. Our natural heritage. Its abundance is a healthy food supply and a source of noble livelihood for millions of families. A fusion of social and cultural diversity. A safeguard for harmonious coexistence among people in the region. It is our gateway to regional and global markets, opening our doors to economic prosperity. Within its boundaries lies the promise of hope for a better life. Today, in the spirit of partnership, we take a momentous step. As we share a common vision for the sustainable development of the seas of East Asia. It is an enduring alliance, a union of strengths, a call for action to ensure a lasting legacy of life for tomorrow. Welcome to Putrajaya, Malaysia. Welcome to the East Asian Seas Congress 2003.